This is a battlefield where both armies have the same weapons capabilities, but one of them has AI and the other does not. Let's see how a battle between these two plays out. Here on the battlefield, both trying to somehow get eyes into enemy territory, to find the enemy's most valuable military targets, to fix their exact location, to determine what weapons to use and how to properly target and deploy them, and then to actually fire on those targets, to engage so that it actually hits the target, and then finally to assess to see if it worked. This is called the kill chain, and it is how war is fought. But executing this kill chain is not straightforward. It's the job of commanders on both sides to make countless decisions, often with incomplete or unreliable information. And victory tends to favor those who can gather the best information and make accurate decisions the fastest. So let's see how both of these sides approach their kill chain, one with AI and one without. Both sides have all sorts of sensors that are looking into their enemy's territory.
The classic example is an electro-optical sensor on a satellite, right? That's fancy words for a camera that is just looking at stuff.
They both have drones in the air, scanning for targets.
A reconnaissance team on the ground.
They've got radar, sensing what's flying through the air. The data from these sensors is being recorded and eventually is sent back to a central command center. This is where the decisions are made on what the army will do next, using all of this data from their sensors. The AI command center is armed with computer vision software that is processing all of this incoming visual data and tagging it with what they think they're looking at and its precise location.
Now you have machines automatically looking over those images, picking out enemy planes, enemy formations, and saying, hey, I think with 90% probability that I'm pretty sure is a tank. And I've worked this out on the drone itself, the exact coordinates it's at.
The other military that doesn't have AI is doing the same thing, but without computer vision algorithms.
There's a lot of friction in this process. You had humans poring over every single image.
They're slowly identifying their targets. A tank here, an airfield there, plotting them on a map, doing it manually. Oh, and by the way, this map only exists here in this command center. They haven't even started communicating all of these targets and intelligence to other command centers. Meanwhile, the computers over in this other command center are automatically adding all of their findings to a database that's in the cloud that other command centers have access to as well.
An AI-enabled army is fusing all kinds of data.
These are hard decisions, but the AI-enabled commander has some help. A software platform has fused all of this data together and is starting to make predictions and inferences, giving recommendations to the commander, taking into account not only the target they're trying to hit, but also many other important factors.